In this episode of Teslacam Stories.
Yes, sir. Reading you loud and clear. Clear. The clock has started.
The clock has started.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Liftoff. We have a liftoff.
Wham, bam, Teslacam. I hope you're satisfied.
JJ Cola was driving his Model 3 with autopilot engaged when out of nowhere this happened. He says this is the first time he's ever been attacked by a grill while driving. Maybe this is the newest version of rolling coal on Teslas? He tried to keep his distance and not touch anything due to the pandemic, but he really wanted to help, so he got right to it. Here, JJ Cola signals to his sister to use summon to bring the car closer. Pedro Ruiz was driving his Model X when he witnessed this. Pedro says this is a reminder to always look both ways. Then, just a couple of days later, this happened. Always remember to belt in your puppy. In this clip, a pickup truck attempted to roll coal on Daniel Powers in his Model 3 Performance. Daniel quickly and easily left him in the dust. In this clip, Master Crawl's Sentry mode was activated by a rather busy intruder. Are you a Tesla owner with a Teslacam or Sentry mode video you want to share with us? Please send the video together with a description of what happened via the link in the description below. Daniel Cow was driving his Model 3 with autopilot engaged. Daniel says he didn't take any chances. He took over from autopilot as soon as he saw the vehicle's fender fly off. Fortunately, he had checked if the lane to his right was clear only seconds before. Jeff CRILLY lives in the Bay Area and was very impressed that all these folks remembered to use their turn signals. Keith Hill was driving his Model 3 when this truck forced him out of his lane.
Yeah, this is perfect.
This example of instant karma was recorded from the center screen of a Tesla using a cell phone and sent in by an anonymous uploader.
Oh, eat shit. Beautiful.
If you liked this video, please share, like, and subscribe.